How to add a mobile signature from Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually add a mobile signature to your Gmail app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, what is a mobile signature? Mobile signature is simply a number of text or just a random word, or maybe could even be your name, that whenever you actually send from Gmail will be automatically typed in at the very end of the letter that you're sending. So let's say you set your mobile signature to your name. Whenever you send any mail to any other person, your name is going to be added by default, which means your quote unquote signature. You don't have to go ahead and then add them again. To get started using this feature, which is of course really useful if you send lots of emails, you can just open up Gmail. Then make sure to select the correct Google account or the Gmail ID. Then just tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom, go to this settings button here. Now, if in case you're on Android, you might just want to select the Gmail account again, but I'm using it on iOS. So what I need to do is just scroll down and then look for the option called signature settings. So under compose and reply, you can find signature settings. Just make sure to tap on it. And then here you can see mobile signature is turned off. Just make sure to turn it on. Now here it will simply ask me to type in my signature. So I'll just go ahead and then basically type in my signature like this. And then I'll tap on done. Now what this will do is next time whenever I compose a mail, my signature is actually going to automatically get added from the bottom of the mail, and I don't have to add them over and over again. And this is it for today's video on how you can actually add a mobile signature to your Gmail app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.